Are you also someone who is searching for a perfect villa for you? Come on, let me show you one. Look at this. So yes, this is a perfect 5 BHK villa for your family. So first of all, say this. And then here comes, a perfect bar area for you, जहाँ पे आप अपने friends के साथ बैठ के अपने drinks को enjoy कर सकते हैं. Just look at this. Here comes a perfect dining area for you and your family, which can make your daily routine more fabulous. Let's come and let's see what's more within this villa. Here comes the kitchen. This is a modular kitchen with the finest details, ensuring that every detail here enhances your lifestyle. Also, at the same time, you are provided with a perfect, personal lift, because as I told you in the video that you have, 3 floors here. Let's see, there is the first room. Let me show you. As you come inside this room, first of all, you will see this, luxurious bathroom, and then here comes, the bedroom. Which comes with a beautiful dressing area perfect for your wife and sister. At the same time, you also get a beautiful attached balcony with it. Look at this view. Perfect for your morning routine and evening newspapers. Here comes the personal lift. Let's go to the first floor and see what's inside there. So yes, I'm pressing the first floor. Wow, beautiful. This is exactly what defines luxury. Here comes the second room. Come with me. This is a perfect size bedroom for your family. Which comes with attached cupboards. Take a look to it. I think it's the washroom. Wow, look at the mirror. So beautiful. Wow, here also comes another attached balcony to it. Look at this. Perfect for your morning, or evening tea, snacks, or newspaper. If you are someone who is very inclined to spirituality, here comes, a beautiful puja room. Just take a look to it. This is a perfect place to enhance your spiritual journey. Let's take a sneak inside to the third room. So here, along with the sofa set, you are provided with a beautiful massager machine, जहाँ पे आप relax हो सकते हो, और when you are tired and you are coming from your work hours, you can just relax here. This is so nice. Also, you are getting another attached balcony. So I think the perfect thing about this villa is that you are getting so many amenities. Like, look at this. So if you're the one who is investing or purchasing this villa, you will get, the same as it is showing here. And let's see what's more here. Oh wow! You're also provided, a kids room. If you are someone with a son or a daughter, this is a perfect kids room. And yes, this is the fourth room. Wow, look at the detail. This is so beautiful. Like, wow, I wish I would be, a kid again, but yeah, that's not possible. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so you are also provided with a beautiful study table for your kids. At the same time, here you are provided with 2, beds. Like, for example, if you are someone who has 2 kids with you, this is a perfect size room for your kids. At the same time, you are also getting another attached balcony. So if you have noticed, in every room you are getting, one or the other attached balcony. So yes, this is the attached balcony to it. Wow, look at this. So beautiful, right? Okay, come with me. Yes. This is the washroom, perfect for the kids. Wow. Now let's go to the first floor. Let me show you another room, which is room number 5. Wow. Look at this. I think this is the master bedroom, and it's the most comfortable and more luxurious, bedroom, other than we all have seen earlier. And yes, here comes the wardrobe area. So this is the wardrobe room, and at the same time you're also provided with the dining area, perfect for your wife. Okay, so there is very special thing which I want to show you. If you're someone who loves bathtub, so here you also provided with a beautiful bathtub. Look at this, so luxurious. And yes, like all the other rooms, here also you're getting, attached balcony, perfect with a beautiful sunlight. And like all the other rooms, here also you're getting, attached balcony with a beautiful sunlight. So now it was all about the first floor, and here comes the second floor. Let's move to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor of this stunning 5 BHK villa, and unlike the first floor, this floor is also very creative. And yes, here comes other room, which is, I guess, the 6th room. Yeah, this is the 6th room. Wow, look at this detail. So as I have told you, so if you have seen the video, I have already told you that all these details are very fine and ultra luxurious ones. So this is a bedroom, and yeah, here also you are getting another attached balcony with it. Just take a look. Yeah. So this is your wardrobe and washroom area. So you are provided with proper size cupboards where you can keep all your daily clothes and other things, and also you are getting a dressing room at the same time. This is a washroom. Let's see what's more here. So this is the washing area where you can wash all your clothes. So I guess this is a perfect size, like you are provided with enough size for this thing, and yeah, this is really good. So yes, there is something really special I want to show you. Look at this. Just look at this. Wow. Here comes the most beautiful balcony of your dreams, and this is the perfect thing. I think, look at the sunlight. The sun is also very bright, and it's perfect for the winters. And like, look at this view. You are also getting a proper view from here. I think I have shown you, all the floors, and have covered, I think, almost everything. But yes, but the basement is still there, and the most beautiful and luxurious hidden gem is there. So yes, let me take you to the basement. This is the basement. Look at this. So this is, something not really ordinary, and this is, I think, a very special place. But yes, I told you that there is a kitchen inside. Come with me. Look at this. This is a beautiful, luxurious family theater. Wow, I loved it. Ultra luxurious, and this is something like, I'm feeling ultra luxurious, and I'm feeling like I'm inside, some cinema hall. And if you're a movie lover, you can just come and sit here and enjoy your movies. So I want to show you something. If you have ever went to a cinema hall, you must have seen that you are actually provided with very comfortable chairs, and here also you are getting a powerful recline chair. And let me show you how it works. So I guess I should press this one. Yeah, just look at this how it works. Wow, so comfortable. Just so wow. I mean, I just love this. Just imagine you are sitting, imagine you are sitting just like this, and you are with your family, having a popcorn with you, and just enjoying your favorite movie. Just imagine you are sitting here like this, just lying down comfortably with your family, with your favorite movie. At the same time, you also have some popcorn with you. What else you want? So yes, what are you waiting for? Just if you're watching this video, contact us right away, because we can give you more details about this villa. And yes, this is the perfect villa for your family. And yeah, I love this.